Guys, and welcome to the ninth episode of Animal Jam. And today we're going today. Recently off camera, I created a new alt account, or at least a new animal to play as, because I know that there were previous furniture and there was previous furniture in my den that were from specific places, because I had different types of alt animals, or at least alt accounts for animals. So so what I did was that I created a new alt, and then I saw that it was obviously at 3,000. I know about that clickbait video about the cow costing 6,000 gems, but when I was trying to look through the animal section of if I would want a new animal or not, I didn't even see the hippo. I even saw other people with it too. Is the hippo a secret animal, or is it the cow? I swear. Is it though? I really want the hippo. Seriously though. So I have my new account, and this time it's supposed to look like ice. Now let me just revert to my other animal first. Yeah, expert selfish. Wait, X. There we go, the cool. We only have 3 gems. We still have 3,000. We have still 3,000 gems. Ooh, Phantom Pet. I wonder how you get that. And if you guys, please ask me in the comments if you know how to get a Phantom Pet, cause well, I've been trying to find it everywhere, and I can't find it. Where can I find the pet phantom? Seriously though. Oh, wait, let me just see. So her pet name is Windmax. Should I? Ooh, butterfly friends. I know she'll not notice me looking in the extreme. Wait, what is... Oh, Windmax is loading in. There, butterfly friends. Whale tail and obsidian... Obsidian glasses! Definitely! I need those. Of course obsidian fits me. Wait, why is my tinted gray look a bit displaced? I don't like that. Ooh, who's this? No! Do I still need to wait? Okay, just load it in. I know I forgot to pause it. I know I forgot to skip that part, but no, but ignore that anyway. Wait. I was almost going to just talk to that guy. Ooh. That's supposed to be, yeah, that's supposed to be a refill line. Ooh, look. There's not a lot of other people here. I really just want to go with the slide. Okay. Right here. Yay! Oh, shit. Hold on, now you're not letting me get back up there like 3 life. Dang it. Oh yeah, I can walk on water. Also, I know this may be too spoiling, but I don't want it so that it teleports you to another area completely rather than just letting you go in without the loading screen appearing, because that just makes things way too long. Also, that just makes things way too long. I mean, I know there's some inaccuracies in the size, but I really don't care about that. So please just make it so that it's like that. I told you, you don't need to place another loading screen part there. You don't need to. You know nobody's gonna see that. How can I gems? Playing games. Playing games. At least it's still some sort of help. Also, about my Reddit post about me standing on top of the bunny, I'm not really sure if I want to do that again, just to see that, because YouTube's probably not gonna get happy. Okay, let me just exit. Ooh! Did I just see an eerie monkey come out through the door? How do I get in here? How do I get in here? Oh, it's tough here. Actually, I did the models of the urchins in there too. And the model of the starfish. Ooh, who's moving? Oh, what kind of effect is that? Oh, jellyfish. I'm just going to check in here. Oh, it's only the Zamalde Jam. I want to wait until the play as your pet party because now that I have a pet and I haven't even gone to play as your pet for a while since I didn't have a pet anymore. Ooh, what's this? Oh, is this supposed to be some sort of... What? Wait. Is this supposed to be some sort of trick? Like what? Is it supposed to look like you're supposed to place your pet in there and then he'll get washed? Seriously though, I want my pet to get in there. Or probably I just need a pet station. No! I know what this game is. I already know I bought a mask from Kimbara Outback. Palmdale, you don't have enough gems to buy some furniture for my pet. Oh, let's buy some stuff from Mokuahi. Wait. The point is your pet part is still taking 17 minutes to load. Actually, you're gonna just buy furniture from somewhere else. What's that place? I haven't gone there before. I think. It's coming soon! It's still coming soon! Come on! Oh my. Also, funnily enough, my cousin said this because he likes talking to I guess lots of people like to mess around with hot chocolate too. I know going into the Pawndale shop won't do any good because all of the furniture there needs sapphires, and I know all of you AJC or Animal Gym Classic players will know that those are ours called actually diamonds. I don't know if I can spot my cousin's account anywhere here. Ooh, present. What am I going to get? Ooh, 2 sapphires. Nice, now I can buy some sort of Finally, now I can buy some furniture for somebody. I mean, for my pet. Let me just go here real quick. Oh, this! Ew! I want to check out, I'm going to check out the, Alpha headquarters, after I buy something from here. I thought it was ice cream. Wait. See ya? Spinning dollar sign. Oh, wait, I think I bought that. Turquoise birthstone. Actually, I know I have 2 past birthstones somewhere around my home. Now I want this one too. Also, I haven't even tried. Stop reminding me. I just wanted to go shopping. No! Is it bugged? Stop it! Why is it bugged? I know we're going to be doing something from this episode, but I really can't decide which thing I want to buy. Oh, right. I was going to buy something from... Somebody has a sheep! What? Oh, they just logged out. How come they only logged out by now? How come they had no idea that there were so many other people that were looking directly at that saw her? Seriously though, that probably meant she was alarmed that everyone else saw her having the sheep there! Somebody has a sheep! Ooh, super sheep. You play card. Ooh, the gray zone. Oh, it just... I thought there was a pet by there or something. Ooh, I think this is an opportunity to try and visit her dead. Because she didn't lock it. Ooh. I'm waiting for once I get to the den, because once I spot them actually at the den, I'm going to be in big trouble, because I know that she'll eventually lock her den and then I'll be stuck there. Or maybe not. Wait, I won't get stuck there. Let me just skip this part. Okay, actually. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Please like and subscribe if you did. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, you're ugly if you didn't like the video. Anyways, goodbye and have a great day. Have a great day. Be safe in your home. So, anyways, bye bye.